As a bonus, I've included a couple of furniture models that I've made. You can use these while we're experimenting with transforms, and use them royalty-free in your own projects. Go to File, Open, and locate the Sample Files folder. It should be under C Program Files scottonstadt.com, nested under the product name and module number. Open up transforming.max, and you'll see an armchair, a coffee table, and a rug. Move, Rotate, and Scale are collectively known as the transforms. Notice that each one of these tools starts with Select and. That's because there are alternatives to the Select Objects tool. I'll click on the armchair to select it. Notice that we see what we call the Transform Gizmo down here. The advantage to the Select Objects tool is that you can be sure that you won't transform an object. So it's safer to use this tool if you just want to select something. I'll go back to Select and Move, and the Transform Gizmo reappears. It's color-coded, and it uses a mnemonic, or way to remember, what the colors are and what they correspond to. The mnemonic is XYZ equals RGB. Computer monitors use red, green, and blue pixels, or RGB color space, so this should be an easy way to remember that X is red, Y is green, and Z is blue. The Transform Gizmo currently shows that in color, and it has these axis labels that show the X, Y, and the Z. Now, I don't like to show both because I already know the color mnemonic and I can remember which axis goes with which color. So, go to the Customize menu under Preferences. Go to the Gizmos tab, and if you'd like, uncheck Show Axis Labels. Now we don't see the X, Y, and Z anymore, so we'll just have to remember what they correspond to. If you don't see the gizmo, press letter X on the keyboard. It toggles the Transform Gizmo on and off. The Transform Gizmo itself appears at the object's pivot point, which in this case is at the center bottom of the armchair, right on the rug.